Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are back here in the bay. And what? Yeah, well, I thought it was my car, but then I realized it's not. Yeah, just because the same color. Yeah, so I am here because I'm going to buy a coffee in this restaurant, but probably still closed. I don't know if they are serving breakfast. Oh, let's check. This is actually my very first time getting closer like this in this establishment. Yeah, we'll see if they have they are open. Maybe not because I don't see any car. Oh, there is. Oh yeah, there are cars. It means it's open, I think. There are just cars and two people, but actually it's still closed. Yeah, so we are going to the other side to buy coffee. Oh, I forgot to mention, but this is the Little Beach Boat House. Yeah, nice restaurant. Actually, there are two restaurants. One is Little Beach Boat House, and the other one down below is the deck. And today is Wednesday, already 8:26, but yeah, no people here. The temperature is actually just good. Yeah, the table they are still wet from the night, moist. Oh, when I was riding my bike, yeah, this little beach is not like this. Yeah, this doesn't exist. Now there is this barbecue place, and actually you see that it's empty there, but to use this you just need to press the button. Yeah, there's a button, and after pressing that it start to heat up and you can cook your food. Yeah, and the heat will last for up to 20 minutes. As you can read in here, oh, 30 minutes. Yeah, nice. And also they have a new toilet here. Yeah, I hope they are open. Yeah, the door is open, so they are open. This little beach is actually a little bit hidden from the main road. Yeah, this is beautiful in here. And in case you don't know also, yeah, there is the Halifax Holiday Park. Basically a caravan park. If you want to go on camping, yeah, this Holiday Park is one of the best. And actually there is another restaurant. Yeah, in that area, on that kind of tower over there. Yeah, there is a kind of monitoring, what's that? Climate, weather monitoring system, and also a breakfast restaurant. Yeah, garbage. Yeah, they are garbage. Oh, I remember. Yeah, when I was walking around in Rome, in Italy. Yeah, their garbage is not like that. Their garbage is along the street, big, metallic. Yeah, and doesn't look good. Thank you. I got the cappuccino, and I have my banana bread on my hand. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went alright. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, always still with. I end up sitting down here. I'm supposed to go there at the GT, but it will be Sunday. Will stick on my shoes and will get into my car. I don't like sand in my car. Banana bread. You know, when I was in the Philippines or when I was in Dubai, I never had banana bread. I only had banana bread when I come here in Australia. I don't even know there is a banana bread exists. My phone actually runs out of battery, so there's no music in my eyeglass. And so I'm going back to the car to charge the phone. And I was just here in the car, in my house. I was just here editing video. Also had my actually lunch breakfast. I did not finish. It is rice, and I am planning to go to Bunnings or maybe Spotlight. I want to change this curtain. I want to change it with something nicer. It is already 11:09. I actually moved here in this car park instead of staying over there. It is already 6:41 in the afternoon. In the night already. And I actually did not go anywhere. I was just here in the area. You can hear the noise of the birds. Let me lock the vehicle first. Okay. We're going to walk around. I'm going to show you how it is at the moment there. I was initially in the morning parked over there. I was actually get out of that car park intending to go anywhere, but I ending up just moving to the other car park. And it's good over there because there is a benches where I actually stay and edit some video. I also sleep in the car. I was there, and they actually had a lunch over that restaurant at Little Beach. The deck, the name of the restaurant. And this is how it is. There's some people just relaxing, laying down on the grass, sitting on the bench, chatting, and fishing. Also over there at the GT. Now I'm going to the shopping center. I'm going to buy a water and something else. Tomorrow I'll be working at 6 o'clock again. We'll be doing a breakfast.
Abnormal events are detected during parking. Please ensure the dash cam album to view the parking surveillance video.
We are now here at the shopping center. I'm just going to buy water and something else. I don't know yet. There's a beautiful Volkswagen Transporter, that one. The color is gold. Nice. Of course, most of the shop they are closed already, and the only open is the grocery. Oh, look at this. They have this Vegemite. Hot cross bun, but Vegemite and cheese. This is $5.50. I'm taking one. I am not going to buy oh, this now just $2.75 arancini. Oh, I don't like it. I'm going to have a look first at the weekly special because you know I enjoy looking at these things, usually electronics and toys. Yeah, like this race car speaker. Today I'm going to get instant noodles. Yeah, long time. Yeah, this is $5.75. And yeah, I am here for the water, so I'm getting one. Well, actually two. Oh, I did not check how much I spent, but maybe just little over $10. And it is dark here now outside. I'm going to eat first these noodles, then I'm going to the gym. Take a shower.